Hi there, this is Sir Marvin, and this is Learning Body Channel. Today, we will be talking about intensive pronouns. Malalaman nyo ngayong araw kung ano ang pinagkaiba ng intensive pronouns sa reflexive pronouns. Also, in this channel, I have also created the relative pronoun. If you want to learn more about that, just click the link above. Alright? So, dito sa channel, nag-create ako ng topics, tips, and tricks kung paano matutuhan ang basics of the English language. Today, ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang intensive pronoun kasi marami ang nalilito kung paano ginagamit ang intensive pronouns in sentences. Also, this video will help you to identify intensive pronouns that are in the texts, in sentences, or in paragraphs, in expository texts, or even in narrative texts. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's go! Ang intensive pronoun ay walang pinagkaiba in terms of form sa reflexive pronoun. Kaya nga marami ang nalilito kung ang ginagamit ba nila ay reflexive or intensive dahil parehong-pareho sila ng format or kaya naman ng form. Now, ano ang pinagkaiba nila? An intensive pronoun is a pronoun used to emphasize the antecedent of the sentence or a clause. Ibig sabihin, ito ay ginagamit para ma-maximize ang emphasis sa subject, right? So, hindi kagaya ng reflexive pronoun, ang intensive pronoun ay laging pinaprovide katabi ng subject na tinutukoy nito. Okay? Kaya nga tinawag na intensive, intensified, no? Ibig sabihin, pinalakas ang kanyang emphasis. Mas katabi na siya ngayon ng subject. Let's have an example. The Prime Minister himself told that he would lower the taxes. In this sentence, the subject is the Prime Minister. The intensive pronoun used is himself. Kung napapansin, katabi lang ng intensive pronoun ang kanyang tinutukoy na subject. Let's have the next example. They themselves promised to come to the party even though they had the final exam the next day. In this sentence, they is our subject. It's also a pronoun. Nasaan ang ating intensive pronoun? Very good. Ang ginamit natin ay themselves. Kaya themselves ang ginamit dahil ang ating subject ay they. Ibig sabihin, plural na they. Ang kanyang intensive pronoun na dapat gamitin ay themselves. So, napapansin ulit natin na katabi niya mismo ang kanyang pronoun or ang ating intensive pronoun. Katabi ng ating intensive pronoun naman ang kanyang antecedent, which also happen to be a pronoun also. Ang they, alright? Third person personal pronoun. So, nakita ninyo, magkatabi sila. Now, let's proceed with this example. I want you to be the one to identify the antecedent of this sentence, alright? Let's begin. The actor himself wrote the script. The actor himself wrote the script. In this sentence, what is our subject? Correct. The subject is the actor. Now, obviously, ang ginamit na intensive pronoun ay correct, himself. Very good. So, magkatabi sila. Napansin natin, the actor, ang ating antecedent, kasi siya ang subject, at ang pronoun natin na intensive ay himself. Okay? We are emphasizing the subject. It means we are giving more emphasis on the subject. Okay? Not the action done, but to the subject himself. Now, let's proceed with this exercise. All you need to do is just to identify the antecedent that the intensive pronouns are referring to. Let's begin. Finished? Alright, let's check. For number 1, we have himself. For number 2, we have themselves. For number 3, we have herself. For number 4, we have himself. For number 5, we have Correct, itself. Now, for you to practice to identify if the sentence is reflexive or intensive, let's have this practice number 2. So, ang gagawin lang, ilalagay kung ang sentence ba ay may naka-underline word na intensive or reflexive pronoun. Itself. Alright, let's begin with this sentence number 1. Correct. The answer is reflexive. How about the sentence number 2? Correct. The answer is intensive. How about number 3? Correct. Intensive. How about number 4? Correct. Reflexive. How about number 5? Correct. The answer is intensive. So, huwag kalilimutan na pag sinabing intensive pronouns, from the word itself, intensive, pinalalakas ang emphasis sa subject or sa antecedent nito. Karaniwang katabi niya ito sa pangungusap. And usually, this is used to express the subject or to emphasize the subject of the sentence or a clause. So I hope that you have learned today. If you do, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alam niyo na kung anong gagawin dyan. And also like and share this video and also comment down below if you want specific topics related to this one so that we can make video for that next time. Alright, again, this is Learning Buddy and I hope that you also click that notification bell and select all so that lagi kayong updated whenever we have another video or about pronouns or the 8 parts of speech. Again, this is Sir Marvin and this is Learning Buddy. Signing off. Paalam!